Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your CSV files, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you convert CSV files to Excel on your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to convert CSV to Excel using your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that when you're moving around your contact list, sometimes you have to convert it from CSV into an Excel format. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac. This is actually something you can do on a Mac. You don't need to pay for another program. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up a couple of CSV files, as you can see right here. Now, in order to convert this to an Excel format on your Mac, it's pretty easy. All you're going to do is just right click on the file. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click here, open with. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu open up and you want to click on numbers, which is basically the Excel of your Mac computer. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the CSV file in your numbers application. Now, in order to convert this over to Excel format, what you're going to do is up here on the top left, you're going to click on File. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click Export To. And after that, you can go ahead and choose Excel. Okay, here you can go ahead and adjust the settings and then click on Save. Okay, it's processing. Okay, it just converted. Let me jump on over to my folder. Okay, so I opened up my folder, and as you can see right here, the CSV file has now been exported as an Excel spreadsheet format. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to convert a CSV file to Excel format using just your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.